finish playing with Jonah and then I'll let you look.
Alright, Joe, your turn. Tell us your turn. Go up there. Oh, wait. Here. I'm ready. So you have to say who wants to turn in. They have to raise their hand. To raise their hands? Good job. Who's next? Abby! No, Kelly's next. You're saying Kelly. Okay. Go up there, Kelly. Kelly, can you tell us the story of Noah's Ark? No? No, I said Kelly, not Jonah. Kelly. Oh, Jonah? Kelly. I said Kelly, come back down. See? It's the butterfly.
Are you guys playing school?
Yeah.
Oh, is Jonah supposed to be calling on you?
Mama,
It seems like you've had your...
Play school. This is our new game school. Jonah, I want to talk to Noah's Ark. And there's sharks? I don't know there's sharks. And we have the best new friend. Say the best new friend. Okay. Okay.
Is Jonah the teacher in this?
Yeah, we
Oh.
want to take turns being the teacher.
Wow, that's cool.
Jonah! See? All right. That's fun. I want to go. Jonah, you have to say who is... All right, Jonah. My turn. It's my turn. No. My turn.
Uh-oh. Let's apologize.
My turn.
Okay.